Davis campus, where three students made a can of new coffee. And here with me right now is one of the three students. This is Emma. Emma, could you tell me about your roasting process and what kind of beans you used?
We chose to use Costa Rica beans and Sumatra beans. We roasted them separately and with the Nesco roaster, both for 20 minutes each. So we chose to use the Nesco in particular because we thought that it would roast the beans to make them produce the best tasting coffee with the least amount of energy. And the total energy we used for this roast was 0.1476 kilowatts per hour.
So Emma, could you tell us about your brewing process?
Yes, so in order to get at least 975 grams of coffee, we needed to do 4 brews. We used the Clever coffee dripper, using 10 grams of Costa Rica and 10 grams of Sumatra to do this. And we added 320 grams of water at a temperature of 94 degrees Celsius for each brew. We had an extraction time of 4 minutes. After the 4 brews, we finished using a total of 40 grams of Costa Rica and 40 grams of Sumatra. We also used a total of 1,280 grams of water at a temperature of 94 degrees Celsius. When heating the water, we chose to heat up only enough for 2 brews because if we heated up the total amount of water that we needed at one time, then the water would not remain at the same temperature we wanted it to for the next 2 brews, and it would use more energy. This caused us to have an energy usage of 0.13 kilowatts per hour to heat up the water. We ended up brewing 985.5 grams of coffee.
So Elma, could you tell me your final PE and the TDS?
Yeah, so our final TDS was 1.2 and our final PE was 14.78.
Okay, so I understand that you have made this coffee for a competition. So what was the overview of the Senji evaluation, like as judged in the blending taste?
So we received an average score of 26.667 and a total energy usage of 0.277, giving us a total score of 96.27.
Okay, so if you could change anything to improve your score, what you gonna change?
We would change, if we were to change anything, we would make a lighter roast to minimize the amount of energy we use, and also use a longer extraction time to improve the flavor of the coffee.
Okay, so thank you for talking with us about your roasting and the brewing process, and back to your stand.